Hello children, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Okay, today we are going to start Maths for Standard 5th. Lesson number 3, How many squares? This chapter we are going to do in a graph book. So in this chapter, whatever sums we are going to do, that you have to do in your graph book, not in your classwork. In the classwork, today you have to write only just here what I wrote here. Okay? See, in this chapter we will learn find the perimeter of the shape. Second topic, estimate and compare the area of shapes. And the third topic is find the area of shapes by counting grids. Okay? So today we are going to do only this. Find the perimeter of the shape. What is perimeter? Perimeter means the boundary of the shape or length of the outline of a shape. Any shape. The shape is not fixed. The shape is triangle, rectangle, square, any figure. That shape, outline of the shape. See, here I drawn one figure. Here it is rectangle. See, always rectangle opposite sides are same. See, opposite. Here 3 centimeter, here 3 centimeter. Here 6, here 6. Rectangle always opposite sides are same, and square. All 4 sides are equal. So we have to do the sum. What we will do? Perimeter of the given figure. Otherwise, perimeter of the figure equal to, see, boundary. This means 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 centimeter. 1, 2 and 3. So outline of the boundary that we have to count. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So perimeter of the figure is equal to 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. This we have to add. 3 plus 6, 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter plus 3, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Okay? 18 centimeter. So answer is perimeter of the given figure centimeter. Okay, so this figure we have to draw in a graph book. You all have graph book. Though here we have to count the grids 1, 2, 3. Then we have to do the sum, the back side of the graph book. Okay. Okay, students, look at here. I am drawing one figure. See, this is the graph book, and this is see here so many grid. Okay, we have to do this one by one. Okay, here I am doing one line up to 4 centimeter. That means one grid is 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1 centimeter, that means one grid. One box is one grid. Here 4 centimeter, then here I am going up to 4. 4 centimeter, that means 4 square. 1 square is 1 centimeter grid. Now look at here. 1 centimeter. Now see, here again 1 centimeter. Again see 1 centimeter. Look at here. Again 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Always keep in your mind. One box is 1 centimeter. That means 1 centimeter grid. We have to draw this figure dark so I can make out how you did. See. Okay. Here 4 square. That means 4 centimeter. So here I will write 4 centimeter. Here also see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 box. That means 4 centimeter. Look at here. This is 1 centimeter. Then here it is also 1. So write here 1. Here also it is 1. You can write 1. Here also it is 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. And see here also 1. Here you will not write centimeter because we have no space. See, this is the boundary. Here 4 square, 4 centimeter. Here also 4 square, 4 centimeter. And see the outline. 1 centimeter here, then 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here. Here also, here also, here. That means we have to count all these boundary. That means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Now we have to do the sum. What is the perimeter of the given figure? So you have to do the calculation on the back side of the page. See. Find the perimeter of a given figure. Perimeter of a given figure is equal to, see, all 1 you have to count. How many times it is 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 times 1. That means 1 centimeter plus 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 1 centimeter. Again we have to check how many times we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then 2 times 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. And 12 plus 4, 16. That means 16 centimeter. Answer. Perimeter of a given figure is 16 centimeter. If you will draw this figure, if you will not count this sum, then your answer is wrong. That means we will not get full marks. See here, again you have to see, count from here, 4 plus 4. You can start from here also, no problem. 4 plus 4, 8, plus 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, that means it is right, 16 centimeter. Now we are going to do the second one. And we are drawing one figure. Come on. See. 2 centimeter. So that means 2 square. Then go to the 3 centimeter. Right side 3 centimeter. Then go up 2 centimeter. Again go right side 2 centimeter. Then come down 2 centimeter down. Then again right side 2 centimeter. No, we will go 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Then come down 2 centimeter. Again left side 3 centimeter. Then come down 2 centimeter down. Left side 2 centimeter. Go up 2 centimeter. Then right side 2 centimeter, left side. Okay? So, here we will write 2 centimeter. See, 1, 2, 3 square. That means 3 centimeter. This you have to write 2 centimeter. Here is also 2 centimeter. See here, 2 centimeter. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. Okay? Now, Perimeter of the given figure is equal to, now come count. You can start from here, you can start from here, wherever you want to start you can start. But keep it in your mind, if you are starting from here, then you have to end till here. If you are starting from here, then you have to come till here. That means end point is here. So you have to keep it in your mind from where you are starting. So we are going to start from here from 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter, then okay, forgot, no problem. 3 centimeter. Plus 2 centimeter, plus 2 centimeter, plus 2 centimeter. 3 times 2, 2, 2. Then 3, 2, 3. Plus 3 centimeter, plus 2 centimeter, plus 3 centimeter. Then 2, 2, 2 and last 3. 2 centimeter, plus 2 centimeter, plus 2 centimeter, plus 3 centimeter. Now see, let's check. 2 plus 3, 2, 2, 2. 2 plus 3, 2, 2, 2. Then 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. Then 2, 2, 2, 3. Then 2, 2, 2, 3. That means nothing will be left. See, we counted all the sides. Okay. Now come on. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 2, 24, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. That means perimeter of the given figure is 28 centimeters. See, this figure's boundary of the shape, that means outer line of the shape. This outer line, boundary, that means perimeter of this particular figure is 28 centimeter. So answer, perimeter of the given figure is 28 centimeter. Okay. Now number 3. Okay, come on. Here I am going to do 4 centimeter till up. You can draw from here, center, here, no problem. It's your own choice. Okay. See, 4 square, that means 4 centimeter. One box is 1 grid. 4 centimeter, then right side 4 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to use scale. Without scale you can't do. Then down 2 square. 2 square tak niche aao. Okay, very good. Then right side 2 centimeter. Then come down 4 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, your line will be straight. Okay. Then 4 centimeter left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now go up 2 centimeter. Then come left side 2 centimeter. Okay. See, this is our figure. 4 centimeter up. Then right side 4 centimeter. Then come down 2 centimeter. Then go right side 2 centimeter. Then come down 4 centimeter. Then left side 4 centimeter. Then go up 2 centimeter. Again left side 2. That means our figure is closed figure. So here it is 4 square. That means 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter. And here 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. and 2 centimeter. Okay, done? No, here we forgot to write 2 centimeter. See, you have to keep in your mind. No side will be left, 2 centimeter. Now your figure is over. Now we have to count the outer line, the boundary of the shape. Okay? Find the perimeter of the given figure. That questions you have to write. Perimeter of the given figure is equal to, we are starting from here, 4 plus 4, 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, then see 4 plus 4 plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, then 2 plus 2 plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. See, all we counted. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Then 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. That means, come on. 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. Plus 2, 10 centimeter. Plus 2, 12 centimeter. Plus 4, 16 centimeter. Plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20 centimeter. Plus 2, 22. And plus 2, 24 centimeter. Okay. Answer is perimeter of the given figure is 24 centimeter. Done? Come on, next exercise. Okay. Here we are doing another exercise. That means another figure. Okay. Here I am going up to 4. See, always use scale. Without scale you can't do the figure. 4 centimeter. Then go right side, left, right side 2 centimeter. Come down 2 centimeter. Right side 2 centimeter. Then go up 2 centimeter. Again right side 2 centimeter. Then come down 4 till 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter. Then join this. Yes. We don't know how much. Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 centimeter. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter. Here it is 2 centimeter. Here it is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 centimeter. So we label all the boundary, all the side of the figure. 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. Oh, we will miss out. Okay, come on, let's count. You have to write, find the perimeter of the given figure. Question mark. Okay? See, question. Perimeter of the figure is equal to, we start from here, from 6, okay. 6 plus 4, 6 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, then 2, 2, 1. Okay. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we counted 5 times and 4 centimeter. We started from 6 centimeters, so we counted till here. 4, 6 plus 4, yes, 6 plus 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 4 centimeter is left, so here it is 4 centimeter. Let's count. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20, and 20 plus 4, 24 centimeter. So, perimeter of the given figure is 24 centimeter. Done? And the next question. Here the question is, draw the 3 shapes of perimeter 24 centimeter each, but different areas on a 1 centimeter grid. Yes, today we are going to do perimeter, but here areas, that means the inner part of the figure is different. We have to draw the 3 figures. Here it is not written find the perimeter. Here it is written draw the 3 shapes of perimeter. That means here we have to draw the any 3 shapes, but 3 shapes each. All 3 figures, but the boundary is 24 centimeter. That means all 3 figures boundary will be same, 24 centimeter. But the different areas, the figures area are different. Okay, 24 centimeter. Okay, come on. 6 fours are 24. That means we count 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Yes. See, here I made mistake. See. So you have to use eraser. Figure, you have to draw perfect. See. Six fours are 24. That means all 4 sides 6, 6, 6 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, go. 6 up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come down. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. 6 fours are 24 centimeter. That means the perimeter of the given figure is 24. Here area is different. Now I am going to do the next figure here in same page. See, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Plus 2, 24. That, come on, let's start up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come on. Right side 2. Again come. 10 centimeter. Again 2. That means C. 10 centimeter. 2 centimeter. 10 centimeter. and 2 centimeter. See, the area of both the figure is different. See here, the area is different, here also area, but the perimeter of the both the figure is same. See, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 10, 22 plus 2, 24. That means 24 squares, 24 centimeter. Here perimeter, that means we will write only centimeter, 24 centimeter. If it is area, then we have to write 24 square centimeter. That we will do in the next lesson. Now come on, here again. How we will do 8 plus 8? Yes, come on, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, again count, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 9. Then we have to rub. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then go to 4. Again 8. Okay. 8 plus 8, 16. Plus 4, 20. And plus 4, 24. See, 8 centimeter. 4 centimeter. 8 centimeter and 4 centimeter. That means see all these three figure. The perimeter of the figure is 24 centimeter. Here is also 24 centimeter. Here is also 24 centimeter. But the area is different in all these three figures. The question is written. Draw the three shapes of perimeter. We draw three shapes of the perimeter each. That means each side 24 centimeter. But different areas on 1 centimeter get because see here the area is different in all these three figures. So here our figure is ready. We can write here 7, 7, 7, 7. No, not. Then if we will do here 7, 7, then here 5, 5 we have to come. Then it will come 24 centimeter. Okay. Thank you.